Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy David back with another video. Y'all know what we're doing on this channel, man, and welcome back to the beginner series. Today I got abs for y'all, man. So nothing too crazy. Again, this is a beginner series, so we're gonna be doing a 5-minute ab workout. And you can adjust this as you need. Again, everybody's at different levels. Even I am not an expert when it comes to abs and things like that. But also I wanna let y'all know that, especially because y'all are beginners, I want y'all to not be sold this dream when it comes to abs. And abs are not built in the gym doing things like this, right? Doing exercises like I'm about to show y'all this 5-minute workout is something great for helping you define your abs and get more definition to your abs. But for your abs to really start showing properly, that's gonna happen inside the kitchen. That's gonna happen with your nutrition and the things that you're putting in your body to get down to a low enough body fat percentage that your abs can start to show. Because everybody has abs, but until you can really cut down those layers of fat, you really won't start to see those abs no matter how much you do these exercises, right? I just want to start off with that just so you're not getting sold a dream and be like, David, I've been doing these ab routines for forever and I'm still not seeing my abs. Like, nah, it's really gonna be like, what are you eating in the kitchen and stuff like this. This is only gonna really help you define your abs. And again, everybody's ab structure is different. Everybody's ab placement, ab bellies and whatnot, muscle bellies are all in different positions and whatnot. And everybody has that perfect, 8-10 pack, right? So just be mindful of what your ab definition and ab structure is, and then you can use these exercises to really help define those and have your abs stick out more and be more defined, But that's enough yapping, man. Let's go ahead and get into this 5-minute workout. I'm gonna go ahead and describe the exercises we're gonna be doing, and then I'm gonna run through the routine for you. And then of course, if you're, beginner, intermediate or whatever, or if this ab routine is a little too easy for you, you can run it back. Do this, like you don't have to just do one run. You can do one run, have some rest, and then do it again. And it has many sets and reps as you want to do, But I'm doing a 45-second on, a 15-second off, and you can adjust that if you need. If 45 seconds is a little too long, if 15 seconds is a little too short of a rest period, you can go down to 40 and 20 or 35 and 25, whatever you need. I wouldn't go too far past like 30 and 30. 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off, that's good, and especially, everybody's, intermediate. And this particular workout right here is to be done with no equipment. I will do a follow-up video if you have access to a gym that you can hang from something or you have other gym equipment that you can use. I'll do an ab workout with those things because I do find that there's better ways to get activation out of all of your abs from doing things that are hanging and stuff like that, not necessarily always being on the ground, because you're losing the ability to really put in some of those stabilizer muscles. And not to mention, activating your core as well, which you want to strengthen your core just as much as you're strengthening your abs. And your core is comprised of your abs, your glutes, your lower back muscles, all of that, all the muscles in the center body of your mass that helps keep you upright. So you want to make sure that you're definitely working out those, but that's not what this workout is about, or this video is about. It's about abs. So again, let me stop yapping, man. Let's get into this workout. All right, so the first exercise that we have is gonna be a crunch. Now, there's two different ways that you can do their crunches. You can do them to where you are obviously laid back flat on the ground, and then you are raising your head and your upper body up like this. So it's a slight movement up. Don't wanna jerk your neck too much, and then you're just coming up and squeezing your abs. Squeeze your abs at the top. And then now, so that is a version that I like to do personally. If you have something that you can put at your legs to really give you some stability, you come all the way up like this. But that's hard to do when you don't have really leverage. So a lot of times you're using your arms to help you get yourself up. Now I prefer typically down here just because I feel like I'm able to keep the concentration on my abs a lot more. So I'm just slightly coming up, squeeze, come back down. Come up, squeeze, back down. Now, you can come all the way up as we do like this, but I find that when you get up to this upright position, you don't really, your core is not as engaged anymore at this point. You're standing upright. So in order to keep that tension on your abs, I prefer to stay down there. So next exercise we're gonna do following those are some leg kicks or leg flutters, whatever you wanna call them. So you put your arms down at your sides right here, just and then you'll raise one arm or one leg at a time. Just like this, slow and under control. You don't have to come to a complete 90. Again, this is all based on, flexibility as well. You just, the object of the game is to allow your abs to be doing all the work, to really let your abs pull your leg up, if that makes sense. So keep your core nice and tight, and then just keep moving. Boom. So we'll do those, and then following that, we're gonna go into some planks. So you'll flip over onto your front side, come down right here, put your arms about shoulder width apart. You're gonna be on your elbows, and then you'll come up, engage your core. Let your core be activated and squeeze your core throughout the whole portion of the movement. You don't wanna just be relaxed and letting your upper body take all the kind of weight. Engage that core and stay tight, just like this. Engage that core, stay tight throughout the whole movement, and I promise you, you'll start to feel it. Just like that. So following that, we're gonna go into some Russian twists. Now, depending on, again, like I said, depending on your gym, you can use, a medicine ball or a dumbbell or whatever you have. If you don't have any equipment, you can just twist your arms. So you'll have your legs locked, put one leg over the other, lock them slightly above the ground, and then you're gonna twist one side to the other. Try and twist as far as you can. Boom, boom. Now, if those are a little too hard to have, your legs lifted off the ground, you can leave your legs on the ground just like this. You can twist them over if you want to, or keep them, not crossed over, and then you just twist like this. Try and lean back as far as you can where you're keeping that tension on your abs, and really this is gonna hit your obliques, just like this. So this is a little bit easier where you're not having to worry about having your core as engaged to keep yourself upright from falling over. And then the last exercise we're gonna do is some knee tucks. So again, you'll put your hands down at your side, and then you'll bring your legs out, and then you'll bring them in. Just tuck. And again, this is another instance where you want your abs, when you're thinking about that mind-muscle connection, connect with your abs and allow your abs to be the driving force that brings your knees to your body. Slow and under control, as always. And there you have it, man. So that's gonna be the ab workout for today. Let's go ahead and get into it. Definitely feeling it because I did at least like two or three sets just with the tutorials and whatnot. But I hope y'all enjoyed this workout, man. Let me know down below what you like about it. If you tried it out for yourself, how does it feel? Again, adjust the times and the reps. Well, not really the reps, but the times as you need. And again, I'd recommend doing this, at least, 2 to 3 times a week, depending on, again, listen to your body and how you're feeling. If your abs aren't that sore, go ahead and do more. I've heard people say, doing abs every single day. That can be effective at times, but again, you have to listen to your body. If your abs are super sore, you can be doing more damage than good at that point if you're doing your abs every single day. Again, it's a muscle and it needs to recover as well. So do it as much as you can. Again, I recommend about 2 to 3 times a week. But again, like I said in the beginning of the video, abs are really made in the kitchen, not really necessarily over here. So take that as you will, but I hope y'all enjoyed this workout, man. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Stay prayed up. Let's go.